It all started with tiny, curiosity-filled paws. Danny spotted the flour bag and gave it a gentle poke. Then another, and decided to stick his head inside. As he took his head out, a puff of white powder burst into the air and on the kitchen counter, like a volcano. Louie gasped dramatically and said, "We're in the Arctic." He pranced through the dust, leaving perfect little paw prints. Emma twirled in a circle, sending soft flurries of flour into the air. "Everyone, it's snowing, indoors," she giggled. Then it was Pickles' turn. He sniffed the powder carefully, like a concerned parent. "It smells like pastries," he declared. Sighing with relief, Danny flopped onto his back and made a cat angel. "Best snowstorm ever," he cheered. The human entered, with arms in the air. "What happened here?"